I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to stop mobile data warnings fast. First, confirm your plan's cap and whether warnings are managed by your carrier or phone. Once done, open settings and locate data usage or network settings. Make sure you have admin access so you can change limits. If you plan to test changes, keep a Wi-Fi network handy to switch instantly. These steps get you into the right menus quickly. Now move to adjust the thresholds and app permissions that trigger warnings. Now change the warning threshold and hard limit. In data usage, set the warning slightly below your plan cap so you get early notice. Set the hard limit if you want automatic cutoffs. Then review per app usage. Disable background data for heavy apps or restrict them to Wi-Fi only. Turn on Data Saver to reduce incidental use. If your carrier provides its own alerts, enable them to avoid double warnings. These actions reduce false alarms and keep you within budget as you proceed. Finish by restarting your phone so the new settings take effect, then monitor usage for a day or two to confirm the warning stops. If warnings continue, reset network settings. This clears stale carrier profiles that can misreport usage. Make sure to rejoin Wi-Fi afterward. If problems persist, contact your carrier with your account name, plan details, and screenshots of the warning. They can reconcile billing versus device counters. One troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on then off to trigger a fresh network registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.